This is the most beautiful airport in the world, and now you can go there because NTU Singapore has announced their Global Connect Fellowship for 2026. If you're a college student, then this video is going to be very important for you because I'll be covering all the details about how you can get enrolled, what are the fields they are proposing, what will be the application process, what documents you need to submit, and how you can prepare to get selected in 2026. Now there is a lot of confusion among the students, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you haven't have a passport, make sure you start applying for it because that is a very crucial detail in order to apply for this internship. Now without wasting any further ado, my name is Kushal Vijay. I work for Microsoft as a software engineer and I share educational content here. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of these opportunities. Without any further ado, let's get started. So NTU Singapore is a prestigious University of Singapore. Full form is National Technological University of Singapore, and they organize this Global Connect Fellowship every year, and that too multiple times. Right now the application dates are from January 15 till February 15, so you have enough time. So make sure you watch this video so that you will understand what is going on. Under this fellowship, you work under the faculty members of NTU Singapore. There are multiple research projects already listed on their particular portal across different fields. So if you are from BSc, BCA, btech, masters, even non-tech departments like accounts, finance, economics, you all are eligible. That's the best part about this NTU fellowship, and it welcomes candidates from all the disciplines. Now the fellowship will be of 2 months, that is 8 weeks, from July 1st to 31st of August 2026. The application will close on 15th of February. You still have enough time, 2-3 weeks, but make sure you apply it with the right details and you will get the result by 31st of May. I know you're watching this video with curiosity and want to get that internship or a job, but everywhere on the internet you see AI is replacing software engineers, junior engineers, and honestly that is true. Junior dev jobs are down by 20% since last 2 years, and I've seen AI agent coding what exactly being expected from fresher engineer or a junior developer. The thing is, there is an entire category of tech career that most people don't know, and AI also cannot replace it. That is BIM engineers, building information modeling. You were not aware, right? I will explain you in detail. Even I was not aware, so I started researching about it, and the things which I found were shocking enough. So essentially it's where the software meets the physical construction. You use 12 plus different software tools, Revit, Navisworks, AutoCAD, simulation tools to design and coordinate real buildings, bridges, infrastructure projects, and many more. Now why I'm saying AI cannot replace this? Because AI cannot go to the construction site. They cannot see the soil conditions or the weather conditions or the building codes, the material availability or the contractor limitations, and that's why this particular role is untouched. BIM professions bridge the digital design with physical reality. You're using technology, but you're creating things that exist in the real world. And the interesting part is these roles pay 40% more than traditional architecture positions. There's a massive global demand because companies literally can't find enough BIM professionals. And since I belong to software engineering background, I found this particular thing while I was searching for AI proof roles because I wanted to make a video on it. What are the roles which are AI proof? And I stumbled upon this particular things, so wanted to share what is BIM. And since there is a high demand but very less supply, it's not like it is very easy to get into this role. You have to work hard, you have to learn new things, but there are very less resources available on the internet. But I have found a perfect resource so that you can learn and get into this role. I found this platform called Novator that teaches BIM through actual live projects. You are not just learning through software tools in isolation. You will work on real projects curated with architecture firms from the US, Hong Kong, and Portugal who are actually simulating a real job. You get instructions from clients, you pitch solutions, and you build your portfolio with work that gets implemented. Thirdly, their community has over 6,000 learners globally, so you are not learning alone. And they cover 120 plus hours of live learning, 12 plus software tools, and 6 weeks of capstone project. And you can find everything using the link in the description. If you have any doubt, just comment down below and we'll continue in the video. Now let's get back to the video. Now talking about the eligibility part, you should be graduating from college from 2026 or either 2027 batch, irrespective of your discipline. Applicants are expected to have outstanding academic career. If you have very good CGPA, you really stand a chance to get qualified for this. No TOEFL or IELTS is required. No English proficiency test is required. But there are other examinations, other internships that I have covered in the past which require these exams. And sometimes if you are a student who want to go outside to study, then these exams are very necessary. So you can give one attempt because the result is valid for like multiple years. Enrollment, it is open to all nationals across the globe. You have to have student pass. That that is Singapore visa, student visa. That's why passport is very important. Without passport, you cannot have student visa and you cannot go for this fellowship. So make sure you apply for it. You can get the passport very quickly. You can apply for student visa. They will help you with all the support and everything. First, you will have to apply for the internship if you get selected. And even in the application process also, they ask for the passport, I believe. So make sure you have it so that you don't miss these kind of opportunities. Now, eligibility is one thing. The best thing about this particular NTU Global Fellowship is there is no GRE, TOEFL, IELTS required. There is no minimum GPA. If you are a student who was struggling with bad GPA, you can still apply, although it is obviously preferred that if people have higher CGPA, they will be given preference. But if you have experience, then there will be a tie. No application fees there, which is a good thing. Reference letters are also optional. You don't have to ask for recommendation from other people. Open to all nationalities. Research mentorship with world leading faculty, because NTU Singapore is the prestigious University of Singapore. You will get a chance to explore Singapore, and then there will be social engagement and networking opportunities also. That is one thing. Now coming back to the very crucial thing that you all like to hear, that is stipend and benefits. Now total stipend of 5,000 Singapore dollars you will be getting. Now if you can go and check the price of Singapore dollar, it is around 72.64 rupees as I see, which is great. So 5,000 into 72 point blah blah करोगे आप, तो approximately आपको 3.5 लाख से भी ज़्यादा का आपको stipend मिल रहा होगा, and you will be getting 2,000 Singapore dollars just to settle in there, and 1,500 will be your monthly stipend. Travel and visa support. The visa covers travel expenses. Visa support assistance will be given to you guys, and only if is necessary. If you really need that, they will be providing the assistance, and accommodation will also be given based on sharing basis. Okay, but food will not be given in the accommodation. That is the condition. Now there are tons of research fields. That's why they say you can come from any discipline: AI, material science, smart manufacturing, digital economy, cybersecurity, machine learning, sustainability, 3D printing, health sciences, fintech, humanities, art, social sciences, green finance, leadership, urbanization, smart cities, digital culture, climate change, international relations, security and diplomacy, entrepreneurship, education, media, design, communication, and many more. You just go to their platform, you will see all the available research fields and you can apply. Now if I talk about the application process, requirement documents which you have to submit: personal information, which is very important, your transcripts. What transcripts means is your report cards from previous semesters, passport copy, photo, academic reference letters. Basically if you have gotten recommendation from your professors, then that is very important. That gives you some edge. Statement of purpose. What is your motivation to apply to NTU Singapore Fellowship? Why you want to apply? What is that you are giving, or what is that you are getting from that internship, is something you need to mention in the statement of purpose. And 1-2 minute motivational video, like explaining everything what you have done in the past, how this opportunity will help you grow in your career, and help how you will share it back to the community. These kind of things you have to share in the motivational video. Now if I talk about the application, how to apply, just have to go to the link I have mentioned in the description, use it, apply it. You still feel doubts, comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. Don't apply with any wrong details, because there is no point in applying and me sharing these opportunities. Apply with the right details, and if you feel doubt, ask in the comment section, tag me on any social media, and please share these kind of video on social media so that I will get some visibility and you also get some visibility, because you're tagging me. There are other people who would know about this opportunity, so you can click a picture of this video and share it on social media, tag me. I would love to share my views. I would love to answer your doubts if you ask there, and it helps me, it motivates me also to make more such videos. This was it for this video. I'll see you in the next one, covering more opportunities, covering more insightful AI content. Till then, tada, bye bye.